The 5th day of Vlogmas today is all about my daddy. It's my daddy's birthday, just before my birthday, and so we are here to surprise him. We are in our hotel room. Someone's found the coffee machine. Do you like the coffee machine?
It's alright, it's done, isn't it? It's done.
Done. Teeny tiny espresso. Lovely, jubbly. So we are going to go and meet up with my siblings, and my dad and stepmum think that they're meeting up with my youngest sibling as a sort of one-on-one little drinky, and we're gonna be like, surprise!
And ruin it.
And ruin it. It's all been a little bit last minute because obviously we've been ill. We didn't know if we would be able to come down for this. So we only booked the hotel a few days ago. Last one left. I mean, it's a nice room. It's a nice room. We've got a nice big bed, big TV. It's kind of a small bathroom, but it'll do. But yeah, so there we go, that's the situation. I am wearing, I've just got changed, drove up in my jeans and a t-shirt, rather drove down in my jeans and t-shirt. I've just got changed into this woolly dress, very simple, very plain, with a little slit up the side there, and I've got my M&S boots on. Can't remember the name of this dress. Who is it? Can you check the label? Hush, okay. So the dress is Hush. I've got my camel coat, I'll show you that on, and we have brought our Keepall 55, and I brought my McQueen satchel. So I'm going to get my coat on and show you the full outfit. The lighting is not great in this little hallway bit. Yeah, so I've got my little hat on, can't remember where I got that from. Oh yes, it was M&S. Donkeys years ago. I may not wear that tonight though, might wear that tomorrow. I'm finally road testing, not road testing, but wearing my Alexander McQueen shawl, which I got for my birthday last year, and this is the first time I've worn it. And I'm wearing my oversized John Lewis wool coat, because it goes with the booties. And yeah. Would you like to take the people through your outfit of the day?
I'm wearing a Christmas jumper, a scarf, I have no idea, a coat. I'm wearing jeans from Debenhams and Puma trainers that Gwen hates.
I really don't like those trainers. But, you know, if they're comfy, then it's not like you comment on my clothes at all. I love you. You're very cute. And your hair, look, your hair, you're in a half pony. Look at these curls, aren't they magnificent? Right, let's get our Uber.
Get on camera. That'll teach you, won't it?
I don't even know if I'm in focus.
Yeah, but the straw was round the other side.
YouTubers.
I know.
No.
It's so realistic.
Cheers.
Cheers! Happy birthday, Daddykins. How's your, what was it called? Banana
Colada.
Banana colada.
The name alone.
Amazing.
Delicious.
Espresso martini. That's always a
Hazelnut.
hazelnut espresso martini. Pink grapefruit. I can taste the aromatic bitters. And what have you got, Dad?
I just got good old rum.
Good old rum.
Spice. Called spiced.
Yummy. Do them in your face.
Enjoyed it as she should do. She was all over it. She was like,
There's a cutie. Happy birthday, Dad.
good time.
Hello, ducklings. Or duckies, ducks. Hello, little woofers. Some little dachshunds for autumn. Hello. Look at the little doggies. Little sausage doggies. Whoa. Bye-bye. Aye, aye, Captain.
Aye, aye.
Aye, aye.
First mate.
Day to you. What happened to the other one?
Birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Dear Daddykins. Happy birthday.